Uh-oh, watch it. Come on, run, 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 run. Just get one of those. That guac was good. It was just like, I don't know. Let's go see how much that sauce is. These were fire. They're huge. Are you gonna eat some? Oh yeah, let's get those there. At this point, and I'm gonna share with you guys what I purchased. So not a ton of things, but these were necessary because, as some of you may know, that I am actively exercising and changing my lifestyle as far as food and other things go. So I have some organic, what are these? Honeycrisp. I just got a few of those. And I have some organic Lundberg rice cakes, and I have cinnamon toast. And I also, this will be a new one I'm going to be trying, is the honey nut. So I purchased some organic cilantro and some organic spinach. Now, this is like, I've been talking about this popcorn for months, like seriously. I tried this in a video with my dad and myself, and we tried this on a limb, just bought something, and literally this stuff is so good. I did see this on a lot of people's channel for like a good fall snack as well. So when I say good, so good. And it's vegan and all that good stuff. Here are the specs if you're curious. And you can literally eat 3 cups and it's only 110 calories. And I think that's amazing. And it's organic. So on Stylish Mommy's channel, I actually saw these. And I never paid these any attention in the store. We've already like dug in on the way home. But I never paid any attention to these little packs until I seen it on her channel. Like, I go past it all the time. And so I grabbed 2 bags of these. I think these are neat for the airplane, for like the little snacks to go, or just to pop it in your bag if you're like going to be out, lunch, or just snacking around the house. These are awesome. So that's everything I purchased. I'm going to get started with dinner. Stay tuned for that. I'm going to be cooking chicken and fish. I'm actually making chicken parmesan to be exact. So stay tuned. Air fried some cauliflower wings. That's what they look like. This one's huge. And I just sauteed some spinach with some vegan butter, fresh garlic, onion, a little bit of basil. And I could have made the mistake of cooking my meal first, so I'm gonna have to microwave it. And then we have the Parmesan chicken that I made for the kids. That's the mozzarella. Sauteing them some very unhealthy, I also sauteed them some very unhealthy spinach. Don't judge me. Here's the sauce to go with the Parmesan. And these are gluten-free whole grain noodles that I made to go with that. That's what they have. So that's what they'll be enjoying. I like so apologize to you guys. I usually cook with you guys, but today it was just like not happening. So I'll do that more for dinner, hopefully in the next vlog. This vlog may have like some clips of some other things that I prepared. I'm not certain, but I'll be sure to share with you guys later everything that I cook and things of that sort. So we're gonna eat. I'm talking really fast because it's almost 5 o'clock and I literally have not eaten one meal all day. So y'all literally thought I was playing about this charcoal mask, huh? It's dope. Go check out my little video. Y'all thought I would be playing about these charcoal masks. I'm not. So guys, so I am like literally at Hy-Vee, and it's crazy how COVID testing is like back in full effect like a couple of months ago. Nuts, right? Crazy. Stay safe, y'all. I'm not sure what day I'm posting this, but I wanted to share with you guys something because people always say, quote unquote, that it is difficult to eat healthy. It's one of my prime examples. I just left Hy-Vee and literally the lettuce, because I'm making lettuce wraps, and I was just like, literally, the organic stuff was cheaper than the regular brand. The regular national brand, whatever the store brand, all of them is cheaper. So I got the Josie's organic romaine lettuce. Cheaper, guys. Organic cilantro from Whole Foods yesterday. Cheaper than a conventional. So, with that being said, you guys can eat healthy. Watch for sales if you guys, and just take baby steps. Take baby steps. I don't always buy organic. If it's not available and I need the item, especially now with everything going on, then I grab it. But you can do this, guys. Come on. Join the movement. Okay, guys. Anyway. So, I'm boiling my tea. And I'm going to link the place where I get my tea from. It is organic, all that good stuff, natural herbal tea that you guys should check out. I highly recommend the place. I'm assembling some lettuce wraps. I have been having a taste for these, and I looked in the refrigerator yesterday, and I had some, what do you call this? Stuff left over from tacos. So I am literally having this. This is the Good Earth brand of like the faux ground beef stuff. And I have some traditional guacamole. I have some other so delicious cheddar. Guys, this stuff lasts me forever. Like, I don't use it often. Like, seriously. The organic lettuce. And I was in Whole Foods. Pop my earring out. I was in Whole Foods literally like 2 months ago, maybe 3 months ago. Because I never really go into the store. I always do like the Amazon Prime where they bring it to my home. However, I was in there and saw this sauce. And I was curious. And I didn't pick it up. And it is vegan, by the way. If you guys can see that. I did not pick it up. Then I did pick it up after I saw Stylish Mommy on her channel, and one of my cousins said, "Girl, you bought this sauce?" And I'm like, "Well, I didn't pick it up." But they both turned me on to it to like take the leap and try something different. So I'm going to try 2 teaspoons of this. It's like 90 calories though, guys. for 2 teaspoons. So I'm gonna be just putting a little bit in my lettuce wraps and whatnot, and I'm gonna have some guac and chips on the side. So I'm gonna tell you guys how it tastes, if it's worth it, because it is $5.99 at Whole Foods. So yeah. There we go. Guys, so I'm breaking my fast right now, and this is what my meal looks like. I'm just having a Synergy raw kombucha, cosmetic cranberry, having that. And then I'm also having these lettuce wraps. So that's what it's looking like. And I added a couple of, it's about 10 or so. These are sweet potato tortilla chips. Yeah, that's what it's looking like for lunch. I'm gonna eat this and head to my wax appointment. So hope you guys are staying safe and things of that sort, and call and check on your family and friends and make sure that they're okay mentally, physically, things of that sort. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, guys, that sauce is good. Good. It tastes like a, oh, it tastes like a vegan zesty sauce, guys, but better. Yeah.